This is going to be a video tutorial on how to detach or reattach browser tabs in the Opera GX web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Opera GX web browser opened up now. To detach or reattach browser tabs, first I'll show you how to detach a browser tab. I have a bunch of tabs opened up here. Say that I wanted to detach one of the browser tabs to open it in a brand new window. The way to do that, I'm going to use this tab right here. I'm going to left click on it to select it. Next thing I'm going to do is hold down my left mouse button while my cursor is on that tab. Hold down the left mouse button, and while holding down the left mouse button, you want to drag straight down. Let go of it. Right there it is. It is opened into a new window. Now, to reattach a browser tab, I'm going to downsize this window. This is the browser tab that I want to reattach. I'm going to downsize the window to where I could see the original window in the background. Then I'm going to hold down the left mouse button on that tab that I want to reattach. I'm going to hold down the left mouse button. I'm going to bring it up here. See, I've got a hold of the tab now. I could place it anywhere within here. I'm going to let go of it right here. I'm going to close that previous window. Now I have reattached that browser tab. That is how to detach or reattach browser tabs in the Opera GX web browser. Thanks for watching.